What up, everybody? What up? What up? It's your boy Said. I'm chilling with my son Austin. Say what up, Austin. Say what up. Talk to the camera. Say what up, y'all.
What up?
They can't hear you, baby. Say what up.
What up?
Austin got him a nice truck. Huh, Austin? Come on. You gotta interact, man. What color is your truck, son?
Red.
Red. Who brought you this nice thing?
Mimi.
Who is Mimi? These people don't know. You gotta let them know who your Mimi is. You telling your grandma. That's my grandma. Say my grandmother. My momo.
Mama.
Yeah, that thing nice. Is it fast? Oh yeah? What you like about it?
I like his lights.
It got lights? Where?
Right here.
Say everybody where the lights at. Oh, it got an LED light? Dang. Would it light up all the time or like when you drive it? When do it light up?
Like when you drive it.
Oh, when you drive it?
Yeah, when you drive it in the dark.
Oh, you drove it at night yet? Dang, that's nice. Shit, can we get a little test drive or what? You gonna show what you working with? You got your license for this thing? You got your driver license? Huh? You gotta be a better daddy than your driver. Your daddy a bad driver. I'm a bad driver, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what you got, son. Give him a little footage. Okay. Oh, see what I mean? See what I mean? Already crashing, boy. Hold on. Let me get it on. Well, yeah, come on. Bring that thing back this way. Bring that thing back this way. Yeah, let me see what you got. We need to build a ramp and let it hit a ramp, huh? That'd be fire, huh?
Let it go into the leaves.
The leaves? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, Austin, bring it down here so the people can see it on YouTube. You gotta bring it closer this way. You know how to drive it or what? Or you need me to drive it? Come on, drive. What is you doing? You don't know how to drive that thing, bro. Okay. Oh, you gonna try to run me over, huh? Dang.
Don't let it go by the
Let's see if we get a burnout, Austin. Let's see. Let's give him a burnout.